Student Center at CLC. I got TK elevators here. This place seems pretty new. Sorry. These are probably Synergy. That's a slow door. This might be Evo, actually. This actually might be Evolution. These are very new. Slow down. This is Evolution, I'm pretty sure. Oh, wow. We can actually get a very nice view. Look at that. I bet I can see my house from here. Wow. That's a great view of Waukegan. Screenshot that. Anyway, there's the railway and Sheridan Road. And there's the rest of Waukegan. I don't think there's a service elevator here. I would bet no. I would bet no service elevator. Yeah, it doesn't look like it. Anyway, here's the controller cabinet. Yeah, these are Evolution. I think they're Evolution. Evolution's way nicer than Synergy. These run a lot better than Synergy's would. There's a sky bridge on 2, so I'll end it there. Guess it won't chime that time. Asia. That's like the best album of all time. That's it.